All these schools are managed by school management committees. Now, there is a school management committee, there is a parents committee, there is community participation. Very, very important. Why these schools have developed? There is a school management committee, there is a parents committee, there is a community participation. They get themselves get involved. They will decide how much we should spend on construction, how many rooms we need to have. There is no process of giving a tender or anything. We have established school management committees, and the school management committee is almost about 20 to 25 members will there. They will take all decisions, and then the money is also spent, decided by the school managed committee. Whatever developmental activity which has taken place in 値, infrastructure, etc., 6 people will have to sign the check. So there is no misuse of money. And all over the world, it has indicated when there is a community participation, when there is a parents participation, schools will develop very rapidly. Of course, as for 値, we also got as part of corporate social responsibility, we got some money, and that's why initially we could spend that money, so that the work started without any kind of a problem. Later, of course, the government has released some more money for development of schools.